Alright people, so this is how we chop it up. You can chop it up finer if you want, but today I want them to chop big. You know what I mean? So we're gonna rinse this off with some vinegar and then we get right to the seasoning process. Alright, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so everything here nice and clean. Alright people, so now time for the part what everybody love, and this is the seasoning part. Alright, so we have some Maggi season up right here. I just use 2 packets of it. Yeah, 2 packets should be enough. Then I have a little garlic powder as well. I mean, just use your discretion guys. A little onion powder. Still gonna put some fresh one. Alright, so here I have some crushed pimento, yeah? Just basic seasonings guys, nothing too extra. Alright, I have some black pepper as well, some crushed black pepper. Alright, so here today I have some meat sauce and I have some browning. I'm gonna be using both of them today, alright? Alright. So this is the browning. Browning for the crown, you know, and this is the meat sauce. Nice things up, you know what I'm saying? Alright guys, so after that now we'll just rest this aside here. So alright, so we have that there. So we're gonna cut up all of the seasonings then what we need to put inside of it. Alright, so first things first, scallion. Alright. Alright, this we have some fresh garlic cloves right here. It doesn't matter if these fine or big, you know, it's gonna still cook out. Alright. Some carrots. You can cut them however you want, but I'm just gonna do them like this. Very fine and quick, yeah. Like I say, it's a quick pot, so niceness. Alright, and my favorite onion. Just using a half an onion. Then you know we have to have a lot of fresh thyme, you know what I mean? Use a generous amount. Yeah. Scotchy, and we have put up everything with the scotchy guys. Seeds, everything are going there. Like it's spicy, nicely, you know. And here we have the bell pepper, otherwise known as sweet pepper, yeah. And of course, some Irish potato. Alright guys, so that's supposed to do it. But last and not least, we're going to put some Better Pack Jamaican jerk spice. For this. Just use like a teaspoonful, yeah. Don't want it too salty because this carry a lot of salt, yeah. Alright. Rub that seasoning in. Make sure say every piece of meat just get coated with all of that fresh seasoning, all of that powder seasoning as well. Niceness, you know what I mean? Yeah. You can smell the Scotch bonnet, which is good. What is brown stew chicken without Scotch bonnet, people? You tell me. Alright, so far this look perfect. I don't want it too dark and I don't want it too light. So this is perfect. Alright. Alright, so there we have it, guys. See how that look? Nice. So we're gonna leave this to marinate for a little while. May I give it like 20 minutes and then we get back to you guys. Alright, so stay tuned. Alright, people, so let's get the ball rolling. Alright, so let me add some oil to the pot. Using vegetable oil today. And just make that heat up a little bit because we're going to brown the chicken first before we start the stewing process, okay? So now that the oil preheat already, we're going to go ahead and start brown the chicken, eh? Alright, so now that we separate the meat from the veggies, we're going to leave these on the side because this we're going to add with the water afterwards. But we're going to allow this to sweat and then we see how much water we really need to add in it so we don't water down the gravy too much, alright? Come in and check and see how far the process is now, guys. Alright, so you can see for the meat start to release all the natural juices and everything, which is what we want. Yeah. That give it that little burn and everything, that little extra flavor as well, you know what I mean? Yeah. Alright, so stay with me, guys. Stay with me so you can see how the full process of this go. Color and everything coming together nice, yeah? so like I said, this is chicken, so this is gonna cook really fast. All right, so I add some water to the veggies, spices as well. So just gonna add everything right now. Yeah, and allow everything to cook. You know what I mean? And this is what I want. That's how you make brown stew chicken, man. You see everything just looking nice. Yes, guys. Might need a little bit more sauce. So let me add a little bit more water to it. Not too much. Yeah. It's still going to spring up natural water and natural juices as well, you know. And here I'm going to add the ketchup. Normally some people add it at the end, but me, I like to make everything just cook together, right? Build up that body and everything. Niceness. So you see how Jamaican brown stew chicken is easy to cook. Easy, easy peasy. Winner, winner, we got dinner. Yeah, niceness. Alright, so we're just gonna leave that now, guys, to cook for at least another 20-25 minutes, and then from there on then we're just gonna be checking throughout the process to ensure that the seasoning and the spices are well put together, just enough to give it that proper taste. Alright, on the side I have some rice and peas. It's Sunday, so you know that red rice and rooster is the order of the day. Alright, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so now we're gonna check and see how far this pot reach. Smell good so far, won't lie to you. Yeah, the gravy coming down nice. You can see how the body I look already just by, you know. Yeah, so everything looking good so far. Now gonna reduce the flame. Reduce the flame down to medium. Alright. Yeah, because now we want everything to like simmer the right way. So the body I just look really nice. And that is what we're looking for, a perfect brown stew. Alright, easy peasy. So now we're going to leave it as well, leave it again and let it simmer a little bit more, and then we proceed from there again. Alright, so stay tuned.